Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a step-by-step tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can enable or disable the camera in the Opera web browser. For instance, if you'd like to give websites you visit through Opera the permission to use and to access your camera, like your webcam, for instance. It is mind-blowingly simple, guys, and we're going to guide you through this step-by-step. So with that in mind, drop a like, and now let us get started. So in the first step, head over to Opera or open the Opera web browser on your PC or laptop and access your browser settings. To do that, press the shortcut on your keyboard Alt-P or simply click on that Opera icon in the very top left corner of your home screen and select settings from that menu here. And inside your browser settings, guys, I would suggest to use the search bar here at the top and to type in camera just like that. And after that, access your site settings below. And here inside your site settings, you will see a section called permissions, and below that you will see another section called camera. So simply click on it to access your camera permission section. And what you want to do, guys, is, for instance, click on that arrow down icon here to select the camera you would like to use for that. And below you will be given the opportunity to set a default behavior. For instance, to give websites you visit a general permission to use your camera, but before that these sites will ask you for permission to do that, of course, but at the same time you will also have the opportunity to disable your camera entirely. So simply do that by switching to don't allow sites to use your camera at all here below. And alternatively, guys, you may also set custom rules for specific websites or sites you visit here below, but it's totally up to you guys how you handle that. So that's basically it. That's how you enable camera in the Opera web browser. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.